Good morning, students. Topic 2, animating slide objects. So, the main theme of this chapter is animating a presentation. Today, we are going to see how to animate slide objects. Animations are special effects that are added to text or image or other objects in a presentation. PowerPoint offers animation effects. See, we are having a separate tab called animations tab. See, don't forget this tab, animations tab, and inside this animation tab, we are having animation group, and these are called as effects. So, these animations can be seen during the slideshow. Using this tab, we can apply various effects, animation effects to each and every object present in a slide, and these can be seen during the slideshow. There are 4 categories. See here, first one is entrance effect. Please follow my mouse. Entrance effect, and second one is emphasis, third one is exit, and still we are having one more, motion paths. 4 animation effects are there. Entrance, it is used to introduce the object on the slide. Exit, this helps you to exit the object from the slide. And third one, emphasis helps you to highlight the objects on the slide. And motion path is used to move the object on a specific path. You will specify, either you can specify, or else you can use a predefined paths given in the motion paths effect. We can apply any one or multiple effects on a single object as needed. Now, how will you add animations in your slide? First step is, you should click on animations tab, and then here we are having animations group where you can see some effects. To know the detailed effects available, to know all the effects available under this group, simply click on this drop down menu. If you click on this drop down menu, you will get all the effects as stated earlier: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Now you should choose effects from any category. If you want to introduce an image, introduce a text during the slideshow, you have to use entrance. Now I am applying. For example, first step is, you should select. For example, I want to introduce this image during my slideshow. So for introduction, I have to use entrance effect. Select the image first. Step 2, go to animations tab, then click more option. Now under entrance, we are having many effects, many different kinds of effects. Give whatever you want. I am giving zoom. Now see the change. So you can also use this preview button. If you click preview button, once again it will give a preview how the animation effect will be applied on the object. So whatever effect you want, you can choose from this. Suppose you want to exit a particular object from the screen. For example, now in my case, I want to exit this last image from my slideshow during the slideshow. First select the object, go to animations and click more option, and under exit category we are having so many effects. So whatever you want, in which way you want to exit it. For example, now I am using shrink and turn. See, shrink, and at last it will vanish from the slideshow. Now give a preview. You can see entrance effect and also exit effect. Okay, and third one is Emphasis means you want to highlight something. For example, value when cell change. This particular portion I want to highlight. So for that I have to apply emphasis. So now I am applying grow or shrink. Now see the change. So it is highlighting the particular text which I have selected. And at last we can also move object from one place to another place. Motion paths, with the help of motion paths. Now I am using circle. So in circular pattern it will be moved. So these are the various animation effects available, and in this way you have to apply all the animation effects, and using preview button you can preview all the effects applied. Next one is modifying. So after applying animation effects we can also do modifications on the animations. So for doing modification, again in animations tab, in animation group, see here we are having effect options. With the help of effect options you can change the way you want to look the animation effects. Currently I have selected it as a circular path. Now I can choose the various other ways. I can change it to diamond, I can change it to hexagon. So this is what called as modifying the animation with the help of effect options. You can change the way the animation has to be applied. And this is one option. And one more thing is we are having another option called start. So when the animation effect, how the animation effect will be started. The currently it will be started with the help of on click function. So now I am explaining you. For understanding this, you should showcase your presentation using F5. If you give F5, it will move to slideshow mode. Now come to our page. So this is where we applied a animation effects. Now observe the screen. During the design phase, I have one image in this place, but now I couldn't see this. Why? Now I'm going to give a click. See here, so which means that the animation effect will be started once the user click their mouse button. So it will start on click. Okay, that's a meaning for the term start on click. So that's why the image is not introduced during the slideshow. So when it is waiting for the user to click, so once the user click the mouse, automatically the object will be introduced. Similarly, if once again I'm clicking, so the second animation, that is exit effect is shown to you. Now once again I'm clicking, now it is animation, rotation or a diamond shape is applied, so the object is moved accordingly. So I have applied all the animation effects only on click event. Okay. Now I can change it to with previous or after previous, which means that when now I'm applying with previous. Please observe the screen. Only then you can understand. See. So with previous means it will not wait for the click. Automatically after the slide goes on, it will come one by one. This is what the difference between start on click, start with previous, start after previous. You can also change the duration for how many minutes or how many seconds you have to display all the animation, and you can also reorder animation. Which one should be move earlier, move later. So you can choose the order of animations to be displayed.